Are you unable to access iCloud settings because they're grayed out on your iPhone? This can happen due to restrictions, account issues, or network problems. In this guide, I will walk you through simple solutions to fix the grayed out iCloud settings so you can regain full access. Before trying anything, make sure to accept any terms and conditions Apple sends you. Solution 1, check for restrictions. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Screen Time. Scroll down, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Scroll down, then tap on Accounts from Allow Changes to Section and select Allow. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 2, sign out and back in to iCloud. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. Scroll down and select Sign Out. Wait a moment, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Solution 3, update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install to ensure you have the latest features and bug fixes. Solution 4, check Apple System Status. Open a browser and search for Apple System Status. Go to Apple's official system status page to see if iCloud services are down. If they are, you may need to wait until Apple resolves the issue. Solution 5, reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset all settings. Enter your passcode. Now tap Reset all settings from here. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the grayed out iCloud settings on your iPhone. If the video did the trick for you, smash that like button. Got any questions? Feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.